Okay, the 2-minute win. Try the deep breath test. Before we go any further, I want you to try this with me. First, slump forward like you do when you're texting or grinding through your emails, driving. Let your shoulders round, let your head drift forward, and take a deep breath in that position. Now, sit up tall, stack your shoulders over your ears and your ears over your shoulders, and lift your chest and take another deep breath. Can you feel the difference? Well, wait and check this out. When your posture changes, your breathing changes too. That's one reason the T2 vertebra matters so much in our holistic view. The T2 acts like a power plant for the systems connected to your heart and lungs. When this area gets stressed, stiff, or subluxated, your body may not move and regulate the way it was designed to. Well, if you want a deeper dive into how stress, posture, inflammation, and healing all connect, check the spring reset video and the rest of our resources in the link tray below. It's a great next step if you're ready to support your body with more intention. Well, why T2 matters more than most people realize. The T2 vertebra sits at the upper thoracic spine, right just below the hump, just right below T1. This region has an important relationship with autonomic nerve pathways that influence the cardiac plexus and the bronchial systems. In simple terms, that means this area is closely tied to how your body communicates with the heart and lungs. From a chiropractic wellness perspective, when T2 becomes restricted or irritated, that nerve communication may be less efficient. For some people, that can show up as chest tightness, shallow breathing, a racy or fluttery sensation, tension between the shoulder blades, posture-related discomfort, even asthma-like breathing patterns. And an important note, this is a holistic structural perspective and is not a replacement for medical evaluation or care. If you have chest pain, breathing difficulty, heart palpitations, or any concerning symptoms, get proper medical attention right away. So the desk warrior pattern. Is your mind blown yet? Think about how many hours people spend folded over laptops and phones. The classic tech neck posture doesn't just strain the neck, it can also collapse the chest, lock up the upper thoracic spine, and reduce how freely the ribs and lungs expand. That means the issue may not start where you feel it. When your head drifts forward and your upper back rounds, your body starts adapting over the pattern. Over time, that can contribute to tension, stress, restricted motion, and inefficient breathing mechanics. And let's be real, a lot of people don't notice it until they're exhausted, tight, and wondering why a full breath feels harder than it should. The heart-lung-spine connection is an important note here. Here's where it gets really interesting. The upper thoracic spine, including T2, sits near pathways connected to the cardiac plexus and the nerves that influence the lungs and the bronchial tubes. The body is constantly sending signals through this network. So if the spine is moving properly, muscles are tight, posture is collapsing, and stress is constantly turned on, that can create a ripple effect through the whole system. Wait. Check this out. Your body is always trying to adapt, but under adaptation, under stress, often becomes compensation. That's why chiropractic wellness care doesn't just look at the symptoms, we look at function. Do you ever get that desk warrior chest tightness after sitting too long? If that's you, drop a heart emoji in the comments so we know we're not alone. What you need to remember is that T2 is not just another vertebra. It's part of the vital communication hub for posture, breathing mechanics, stress response, and the heart-lung connection. When this area is supported with better movement, better alignment, and better lifestyle habits, your whole system may feel more open and more resilient. That's the bigger message of chiropractic wellness and functional nutrition. Help the body work smarter, not just push through symptoms. And yes, the vagus nerve, stress load, recovery, sleep, and daily posture all matter here too. Healing is rarely one thing, it's the pattern. Final thought, if your body has been whispering through tension, shallow breaths, upper back tightness, or stress-loaded posture, don't ignore it. Listen early, because when you improve structure, you support function. And when you support function, you create more space for energy, mobility, and stress relief. So please go to your chiropractor if you're having any of these issues, or feel free to go into our shop or link tree and you can make an appointment there or use any of our resources. Please share and like and subscribe, which helps our channel, and enjoy. We'll see you on the next vertebral level. Have a great day.